What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything. We shoot them over top to create new interesting color combinations, and then you guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. I've got a fender printed up behind me, so that can only mean one thing. We got 2 Rustoleum colors today, gloss black and brilliant blue by Rustoleum. Now, it's really close to like the boost blue that you see on like the new Type R Civics. So it's going to be a really cool combination with this pearl. It's called Aomidori by EYECANDY Pigments. It's a color shift blue. It's on the lighter side, and it's one of the ones that the color shift looks kind of subtle. I don't really see it. I don't really know where it's going to go. So I figured stay safe, black and blue with a blue color shift, and see what we get. So let's two-tone this fender with the Rustoleum, and then we'll get into shooting some of this Aomidori by EYECANDY Pigments. Alright guys, so we got our 2 Rustoleum colors laid down behind me. I am using the Finish 1 clear today, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener, and I'm using a fast hardener today because it's dipped a little below 65 degrees, and that's typically where I switch over. So I got 5 ounces total in the mix today, 4 ounces clear, 1 ounce activator, and Aomidori Pearl by EYECANDY Pigments. A really pretty blue, almost like an ocean blue. But I do see slight variations of purple. Most of the time when I see a color shift with blue, it goes to like purple instantly. So I don't know exactly what this is going to do. I do expect to see some purple. So I got a little 1 ounce sample bag here. I'm spritzing this into the mix. So, or 1 gram, sorry. 1 gram, not 1 ounce. 1 gram sample bag here, guys. And I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so right away you can already see it's just your typical lighter blue, and then I get the stern. And it's, like I said, a very oceanic blue. Really close to one I did called a Bismol Sea. And a lot of you guys, I didn't do it over the traditional black or white or any of those type of colors. I ended up doing like really funky over some green and like pink. If you want to go back and check that episode, definitely go check it out. It was a really good one. But yeah, so I think this is really going to complement the colors today. There's only really one way to find out. Let's load up the V-Vor gun and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so I'm all loaded up with the Aomidori by EYECANDY Pigments. This is my V-Vor gun today. 1.4 tip. I shoot a 28 psi wide open trigger. If you want to replicate the settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat first, make sure I don't have any reactions, followed up by 2 or 3 coats till I get the good desired effect, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get spraying. Alright guys, brilliant blue and gloss black with an Aomidori blue color shift. Now, we knew it was going to have some purples to it, right? But it isn't as aggressive. It's a lot more subtle than some of the other color shifts. And it's just, I don't know, it's got a much more mature look to it. But as always guys, it ain't up to me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Aomidori by EYECANDY Pigments over brilliant blue and gloss black Rustoleum. Now, I knew it was going to have purples to it. Every blue color shift I've seen, it always goes to purples, and some variations with the hyper shifts or ultra shifts, you get pinks and even golds at some angles. And so those are really, really crazy. But the thing about this today that I noticed opposed to some of the others is it's a much more subtle purple shift in a lot of ways. Over the black, you almost get like a midnight blurple, and over this brilliant blue, man, it just complemented it very well. It turned it into a really cool oceanic metallic like blue color, just really crazy. But ultimately guys, it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Let you guys rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you decide you want to pick up some Aomidori by EYECANDY Pigments to spray for yourself, I am an affiliate, I'll get you a discount. Just go to the website using my links in the description and enter WAW shop, wall shop at checkout, and you'll get a discount and it'll go to help out the channel. And yeah, if the finished one clear, man, it never disappoints. It works great with Rustoleum. It is the best clear I've found so far over Rustoleum as far as not having any issues. The high solids, everything about it, it's just a slicker looking clear overall. I don't know. I just like it. It is what it is. If you decide you want to spray with that, links will be in the description. Click my As Seen on YouTube. It takes you to my Amazon storefront where you can pick up everything I use on the channel there. We do get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And you get the benefits of Prime, so you can get it super quick. If you made it this far in the video today and you like this spray out or some of the other spray outs I'm doing, we're all the time doing new stuff constantly. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you won't miss an episode. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm John from WHITLEY Autoworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.